Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by proving ownership and securing a backup. Make sure you can log in with your current password or linked account. This is required to remove a privacy password. Once logged in, create a fresh backup to cloud or local storage so data isn't lost. Then open Settings and locate Security or Privacy options. Don't skip this direct path because it leads to the control where you'll disable the password. Now perform the critical removal steps. Navigate to the lock settings and select the lock type to change. The system will require your existing password or a biometric confirmation to proceed. Once authenticated, choose Remove or None and follow prompts to clear stored credentials and saved patterns. Make sure to disable any related PIN, pattern, or backup authentication methods so the privacy password does not persist in another form. This prevents accidental relocking after you finish. Complete the process by restarting and testing access to sections previously protected by the privacy password. This confirms removal. Once satisfied, restore any settings from your backup and reapply only the protections you actually want. If something goes wrong and you are locked out, use the platform's account recovery flow, a trusted device, or unlock via your linked email/phone. As a last resort, perform a factory reset only after you confirm you own the account and have exhausted.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.